The club's objectives were really to build a new clubhouse, modified maintenance facility, employee housing, while keeping their operation unaffected.
Right from the get-go, while we did demolition and abatement, our focus was on what we were doing with the existing versus new utilities. That was the biggest challenge. So we had to plan ahead as to where and what we were putting in the ground for both permanent power and permanent water system.
The entire club's drinking water system was in the footprint of the old and new clubhouse. So we had to work around that system concurrently while it got relocated to keep the potable water supply up to code.
The community water room needed to be intact, in place, and we had to surgically demo the existing building around the water room while we built a new foundation and then relocated the water room. It was in the way the whole time, and we had to work around that.
A lot of pre-planning surrounding how that all happened, and a lot of effort by the AP team to provide guidance in how to implement it while we were actively trying to meet schedule and build the new clubhouse. The second focus from the club standpoint was constructing their staff housing facility so that they had resources and square footage for the staff. A big component to this project was adding capacity to their clubhouse, which meant adding staffing, which means they needed additional places for those people to live. After that, it was really focusing on the construction of the clubhouse itself.
Some of the features that are unique to this project based on what they had before was a much larger pavilion and a much larger porch, so they could use outdoor dining as well as indoor dining. They have a much larger, more modern locker rooms, showers, the kitchen that needed to be completed before everything else so they could continue food service, and then it was the CO for the rest of the building.
I think that we quadrupled the size of their food production capacity. And one of the challenges of this project was to build a structure that looked like somebody's house, but hidden was all of this commercial grade HVAC systems, cooking systems, equipment up on the roof, enabling them to produce food service that met their demand. They were looking to maintain a small club feel with the infrastructure of a larger club that could take in an increase in membership, that could accommodate that membership from a dining production standpoint and capacity, and continuing to serve their existing membership as they have.